Hey Spicy Creators, Allie back here with Creators Spicy Tea. And if you use Telegram to conduct business and you are not utilizing the stories feature, honey, you're missing out. You are missing out. For example, about May, I believe it was. In May, I increased my pre-made video sales 350% in 1 month. And an aspect of getting that crazy increase was utilizing Telegram stories. So we're not going to go fully in depth on how to use Telegram stories, this resource, but what we are going to talk about is Telegram's link feature in their stories. So if you have a pro account, which if I believe correctly, Pro is around $35 a year or around $4 a month. It's not the biggest chunk of change, and in my mind, so far, since I broke down and got Pro, it's been worth it. So, if you have Pro features, when you create a Telegram story, you have an option to insert a clickable link embed into your story so that people are able to view your story and straight from that story click a link going who knows where. Maybe your menus or your pre-made page or your landing page or your Fansly or your OnlyFans. The opportunities here are boundless and very exciting. So why don't we dig in really quick on how to utilize this inbuilt in-story link feature. The first step of creating a Telegram story with a clickable link is going to be, again, having access to Pro features. So to start, we're going to go ahead and create a story by going down to this camera image. Click that. This is going to pop up your camera, but don't worry, you do have an option. You can come down here and click this gallery image. That's going to pull up your media gallery, both your photos and your videos. Then we're just going to click the one we want. Let's just use that one. The next step is where we're going to add that link. So as we see down here, we have this menu. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click stickers here, which is this square with a smiley face. Then, as you can see, we have these options up top. We have location, audio, photo, or link. Obviously, we're going to give that link a click. So go ahead and click on link. This is going to pop up an area for you to be able to create your link. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to paste your link right here. We're going to go ahead, paste our link here. Then it's going to pop up here to show you for sure that that link went ahead and worked. You can go ahead and edit the link features here by clicking that. Then you can choose to move the link up or move the link down in how it's going to display on your story. This is exactly how it will display on your story, so be prepared for that. Then we have an option to customize our link text. Go ahead and give that a click, and you can write whatever hyperlink text you want. Once you have your link customized and set up, you're going to go ahead, click down here to add link. There you go. Your link has popped up on your story. You can pinch and squeeze to resize it. You can put it wherever you want it to be, for example, right there. Then you're just going to hit next, and you're going to go ahead and set up your settings, how you want them, and then hit post story. Now, once we have that story posted, we can pop in, check it out, make sure it's looking good. We're going to go and click on our story over here. And here it is. And it has that clickable link there. Let's give it a try. You tap it. You click open link. And bam! Looks like it worked. Alrighty. So that was a quick rundown on how to use Telegram's in-platform, in-story link feature. I hope that all made sense. I hope it was broken down pretty concisely. I know this was a shorter resource, but I hope it was still just as helpful. So once again, this has been Allie here with Creators by CT, and I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying sane, and good lordy, do I hope you are absolutely flourishing.